Hello, in this video, I will show you how to unlock Snapchat account without phone number. It's an easy tutorial, so keep watching. So, you should accept Google and search Snapchat support. Okay, we will choose the first link. You should scroll down a little bit to see the contact us. Choose it. Here, we will choose I can accept my account. And next choose my account is locked. Here, it will give you a few reasons why your account is locked, but just keep scroll down a little bit until you see still need help. Choose yes. And then we have to fill in all this information to send this support ticket to Snapchat. Here you can fill your username, your email, your mobile phone number, and describe a little bit about the situation of your account. And then choose submit and wait for the Snapchat support team to help you with your account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped.